Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Some pretty ugly weather out there right away this morning. Temperatures are on the chilly side. The winds are strong. We've got some scattered showers out there. The showers will start to wind down in the coming hours ahead of us here, but at least early in the morning we'll still have a few scattered showers out there. By, I'd say, mid to late morning, the rain is done, and then eventually the clouds will clear up. Winds will die down. The winds will be very breezy this morning and into the early afternoon, but then die back later on in the afternoon hours as high pressure settles in. It will be a cool day today. Upper 40s and lower 50s will be fairly common. And then with that light wind and clear sky conditions, again, it's going to be on the chilly side tonight. So in fact, almost cold air out there as temperatures drop down below freezing in many locations. We'll start to see a few clouds come into play tomorrow morning and then through the day tomorrow. Partly to mostly sunny skies. A cool, breezy day, but at least a little warmer for tomorrow. This time more of a southerly wind to warm things up, and that's kind of the start of a warming trend taking us into the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. So much of the area in dark blue under a freeze warning for late tonight, either starting at midnight or 1 a.m., and that will continue until 9 or 10 o'clock depending on where you live. Farther to the southwest, a frost advisory. Not quite as cold, but still a frost advisory. Could get down to that 32 to 36 range, but again, where you have those dark blue shaded areas, many of those spots could get down to around 28 to 32 degrees early tomorrow morning. So probably not a hard freeze, but again, cold enough that we'll see sub-freezing conditions. So if you're looking to save plants, probably a good idea to bring those inside, because covering up may not do the job out there. You'll probably want to bring them inside, and otherwise maybe think about maybe draining your sprinkler systems, as it will be cold. The good news is after this, not going to be looking at sub-freezing conditions for probably at least another week here. Now, temperature-wise today, upper 40s to around 50 up north. We'll see decreasing clouds. We're pretty much done with the rain. We had a little snow earlier this morning around Ainsworth and O'Neill. Winds will gradually die back later on in the day. Same story out west. The winds won't be nearly as strong. We'll see lower 50s for highs with decreasing clouds. In the south, again, some early rain still for the next hour or two through about 9 o'clock or so, and then decreasing clouds. Winds will be strong for the morning, but then die back later on. Lower 50s, maybe mid 50s around Phillipsburg, and then low 50s to the east. Again, early rain, then some decreasing clouds later in the day. And again, those winds will be breezy for the first two-thirds of the day, dying back later on in the afternoon hours. So after tonight, after the cold conditions tonight, things start to improve. Tomorrow afternoon, a high around 60 after starting off around 30. Not as cold Thursday night, Friday morning. High around 70 on Friday. So Friday really looking like a pretty good day out there. A little bit of patchy drizzle possible after midnight Friday night across parts of central and eastern Nebraska. In fact, there may even be a few showers early on Saturday morning in the eastern part of the state, but a warm weekend ahead of us. Temperatures well into the 70s. We'll keep it well into the 70s on Monday, and then a cold front comes through Monday night into Tuesday, and that could potentially bring us a chance of rain, but more notably some cooler weather looks to be on the way as we move towards next Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, you know, if we can get through this next couple of days, some nice weather is ahead of us. But again, the worst of the weather right away this morning. And I tell you what, not a very pleasant day for day number one out at the Smith Softball Complex in Hastings. If you have plans to head out there for some state softball, want to bundle up out there, because those winds will make it feel just that much colder. Hopefully the rain will come to an end, but also keeping in mind, not starting at 9 o'clock. Those first games will now start at 10 o'clock. They've been delayed an hour because of that rain, but it should be done by even 9 o'clock. I think most of the rain should be out of the way. So there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you enjoy your Wednesday.